let's start with it runs and drives as it sits. This got my attention from a friend, and it's rust free. It's really, really rust free. I know it's rough looking. Uh, all the parts are there. I just need put back on. The headlights, the tail lights, the front and rear bumper, uh, a bunch of other stuff. Uh, the engine's been upgraded, so we'll get to that in a minute. But I think I could whip this thing back into shape, cosmetically speaking, pretty quick. I think I'd give it a quick wet sanding, tape it off, and just spray bomb it Chevrolet orange or something. Get the bumpers back on it, the headlights and taillights all back in it, and I think I could make that appearance come together pretty quickly. Actually, make it more presentable. The engine, yeah, that's not original. It's got fresh jugs and pistons and rings. The carburetor and intake upgraded. It's a 1600 dual port. Has the dual port heads. Yeah, with upgraded 2-barrel carburetor as opposed to the original single. I don't know what that F number. I'm gonna try to get some information on the origin. You know what year it was. I don't know if that matters a whole lot. The sticker in it says looks like it was made October 7th, 1971. Technically, it's probably a 72 model. And something about in the front here. I think it has a new gas tank or a cleaned out gas tank. And usually some rust up in that midsection, and there's no rust. And down in the pan, down in the front where the hood latches, is usually a real problem area too. We'll get more about the rust-free thing here pretty soon, maybe in a later video. But this area down here, way down in the front pan, is usually all gone. And there's just a little bit of rust there in the one corner, but it's certainly not rusted through. It was made in Germany. Wasn't made in a Mexico facility. Another quick mention here about the rust-free thing is all the known places like the heater channels and floorboards and other known problem areas. I have looked at this car. I've seen it running. It's just really, really solid. The heater channels are the first things to go in these, and they're all there. It really is a solid car. So that's really the only. It's kind of a little bit more work than I'd like to get into, but it's not bad. Not bad. I might. I'm thinking hard on it. I really am. I think because it runs and drives as it is, I think I would just jump right on it. Like I say, do the quick wet sanding and tape it off and paint it, get the bumpers on, just get it looking more presentable, and worry about the small details later. So.